guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun top routine to teach you. It's right around that intermediate level. We're going to do 4 counts of 8, and then we're also going to reverse it on the other side for another 4 counts of 8. So grab those tap shoes, let's watch a quick preview, and let's get started. Alright guys, to begin this one, we're going to start with a shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, stand. Shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, stand. From there, we're going to do full laps forward, full lap, front, then back heel. So that first count of 8 will sound like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And facing the back will look like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From there, you're going to parrot it all. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. From there, we're going to do a cramp roll. 5, and 6, and a heel, toe, and heel, toe. Once again, that second count of 8. Together from the beginning. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and heel, toe, and both counts of 8 facing the back. Moving on from there, we're going to go heel, toe, heel on one side, and then do the same on the other side. Heel, toe, heel. We're going to do a sweep. So those counts up. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. From there, we're going to shuffle back, front, shuffle, hop, cross. So that's just a shuffle ball change with an Irish. So that third count of 8 will go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And to finish out that 4th count of 8, we're going to do one more Irish, shuffle, hop, cross. We're going to do a Shirley Temple, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. We're going to stomp and clap. So those last 2 counts of 8 will sound like this. And all 4 counts of 8 will sound like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, that same combo on the other side. So starting with a left foot shuffle. It'll sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Paradiddles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and cramp roll on the left foot. Heel, toe, heels. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, cross, shuffle, and 1, a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and piece both 4 counts of 8 together, and it'll sound like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A 5, a 6, a 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. And facing the back, just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, a 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 5, and 6, a 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Other side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. A 5, a 6, a 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. A 5, and 6, a 7, and 8. A 1, and 2, a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7. All right, guys, it is now time to piece this combo together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down if you need to. So good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tap combo. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.